push connectors. When replacing the RO membrane, you may need to disconnect some tubing for easier access. Tubing lines are held in place by a small plastic collet, which must be pushed in to allow the tubing to be removed. The collet can be compressed using your fingertips or with a collet tool. To source collet tools, you can search on Amazon for collet locking tool or quick connect tubing release tool. Once the collet is fully compressed, the tube should be easily removable. Note, do not accidentally remove the collet from the connector, as this will prevent a watertight seal. If the collet does accidentally come out, simply pop it back into position. When reinserting the tubing, you will feel two distinct bumps. The first bump are the metal teeth that will hold on to the tubing. The second bump are the O-rings, which will lock the tubing into position. Note, ensure that you feel the second bump when reinserting tubing. Failing to properly seat the tubing may result in leaks or spills. Once the tubing is fully inserted, pull on the tubing to ensure that it is firmly attached. For more information, please visit our website, spectrapure.com.